Good evening, and welcome to the virtual open house at ESM Central High School. My name is Greg Avelino, and I am in my ninth year as the executive principal of ESM Central High School. My number one priority is the safety and security for all. In these times of education, I truly wish that all of our students could be here all 5 days, every single day with us. However, we know that these times are not normal. And as a district, we have planned for the opening and the safekeeping of our students and our staff by abiding by the CDC, the county health, and the New York State protocols and guidelines. Please take the time tonight to look and examine the many welcome messages from my leadership team, the nurse's office, the attendant's office, our CIRO, and many others. Please remember to use School Tool if you need to know the name of the teachers for your child. Tonight, you will see that many staff have learned how to make their own videos for the very first time, and they have focused on introductions to themselves and to their curriculum. And I'm very, very proud of all that they have done. Together, we are all in this together. If you have any questions or need to contact me, please use my email or call directly. As well as you will also notice that all staff emails have been hyperlinked under their picture this evening. We are here to support you, and we recognize that in these unprecedented times, everything is different. And we ask that when in doubt, never assume. Phone a friend or email me. And lastly, any feedback that you may have about this evening, what our teachers have prepared, please let them know or myself. Have a great night, and I truly wish that you were all here in person. However, the second best thing is what we have created this evening. I also would like to thank Tim Patterson, one of our tech people, who helped me tremendously to create this medium for this evening. Thanks. Have a great night. And this link will be up for quite a while. So if you do not get through everybody tonight, take the time and please use it within the next couple weeks. Thank you. We are here celebrating our Spartan pride. We appreciate you.